How to share a story on Wattpad to Facebook directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share any story on Wattpad to Facebook directly. First thing, go to Wattpad. Now choose the story that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now all what you have to do is go to the top here and click on this icon, and then choose Facebook right here, as you can see, and it will be shared automatically. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.